Hi everyone! I'm so excited to tell you about why I love Micro Daily, and you're gonna love this sweet story. There was this farmer, and he lived way out in the country with his wife for years and years. She always did the grocery shopping because he was so busy with the farm. And every time she would leave, he would say, "Honey, don't forget the vanilla ice cream." She'd go into the store, get the groceries and the ice cream and come back. And time passed with this ongoing, and one day she passed away. He's devastated. He has all this work to do. He ate everything out of the house he could. Then he realized, I better get into the grocery store and get my groceries. So he went into town, and there was a Costco. He'd never been to a Costco before, and it was sample day. So they're handing out samples. So he's going throughout the store, and on the last row, what do you think is in the last row? The ice cream row. So they're handing out ice cream samples, and you'll never guess what they were handing out. Samples of Peppermint Bon-Bon. So he said, wow, I've never heard of that before. Of course I want to try that. And as he tasted it, he said, oh my, where has that been all my life? My point is that so many people live vanilla lives and they don't ever experience the Peppermint Bon-Bon living. And that's because they don't know the difference. They might even have good intentions. They go to the store, they buy vitamins and such at the vitamin shop. The biggest thing is that it's a very big difference where they come from and how they're made. The integrity of the product is so vital. It's everything. If it's not in the proper dosages, etc., you're not going to get well, and you could actually make more harm in your body. Micro Daily has $24+ million in clinical research and validation with human trials. It was made and tested for the U.S. military to help people with PTSD, concussive injuries, mental clarity and focus, EMF and radiation protection at the cellular level, ADHD, autism, anxiety, 5G radiation concerns that so many people have today. Wouldn't you want to build your body's defenses against radiation and other environmental toxins and stressors? Wouldn't you want to make sure that you are definitely getting safe ingredients that are not adding to the problem? I sure would. If you're tired of living the vanilla life with aches and pains, PTSD, trauma, lack of sleep, not being the mom that you want to be, not being the dad that you want to be, I urge you to go to brainhealthpros.com and click on the free sample. Start today before you forget so that you can start living the life free of all the things that are holding you back.